This sparkling water springing out from the roots of this mighty tree is known by the indigenes of Umuaja in Okwane local government area of Delta State in South Nigeria as Mmiri Onoku, meaning water from Onoku deity. It is this same water that forms the stream which residents of Umuaja community have relied on from generation to generation for drinking and other needs, including spiritual cleansing. The stream is also said to be the only known and seen source of water to the mighty river Ethiop, which cuts across 3 local government areas in Delta State and flows into the Atlantic Ocean.
This place is the source of river Ethiop. Because if you go there, that place is not deep at all. So that's the head that flows to the next village, Umutu, Ebede, Obiaruko, Abraka, Eko, to Sapele, Ogara, Mosoga, different parts, to the flow to the big ocean.
River sources are usually in hills or mountains. Indeed, flowing down from the high ground to the lower ground in obedience to the gravity law. They often begin as a small stream but get bigger as they flow on. But because the Onoku stream comes out from the roots of this tree instead of rocks that most streams spring out from, the tree is believed by many Umuaja residents and people from across Delta State and beyond to have mystical powers. And accordingly, both the Onoku water and its mighty tree are revered and worshipped by individuals seeking powers and other spiritual needs.
They are worshipping the tree with which water is coming out from. And all these trees that were tied red and white cloth, they not believe that those ones are sacred trees. That's why they were tied red and white. You know, if you look at some marks on the floor now, they are drew there with native chalk. You can clean them. When they come back, the next day they will draw it again. That's why this white are also like this. Sometimes they will replace the white and the red cloths. So it has been like this for years. So it is not weird I can stop idol worshipping here.
Even though there were no worshippers around, as our visit did not coincide with the day Onoku is worshipped, we saw many pieces of white and red clothes tied around the mysterious tree and other signs which confirmed the information we were given. We also saw some children and adults who only came to the stream to bath and drink from it. This man, Chuks Aswai, is one of them, and he explained why he simply cannot resist going to the Onoku stream from time to time to bath and drink its water.
I have water for us, but what I mean to come here is that when I'm back for here, I will get myself normal. It have healing power. If you need child, he will give you child. If you need much power to heal people, he will give you the power to heal.
One other mystery about the Onoku tree is that you cannot find water in front of it, even though it is on a tableland and discharges water from the roots behind it. It is this dry portion of land in front of the tree that people converge on to worship it. When we trace the Onoku stream to the back of the River Resort Motel in Abraka, where it has formed a big river, we met many fun-seeking people swimming and sailing on it. Some of them told us why the river is a prime destination for many individuals who wants to have fun when he can spare the time.
I like being in this place because 1, I'll look at the fishes. 2, the sand. I feel the life in it. And when in the swimming pool, you just be as if I'm in a container.
Actually, this is even better because the river is flowing.
But this one is not stable. It's smooth, goes around. At least it's also wide and can have a lot of fun here.
One of the swimmers encouraged me to join her to test what it is like to swim in the Ethiop River, but I declined as my mission to the river was different from hers.
When you hear that little drop of water forms the mighty ocean, this might be it in real sense. From that little water springing up there in Umuaja forms this river that is so big here and extending beyond. Isn't this one of the wonders of nature? I leave it to you to draw your own conclusion. From a portion of the Ethiope River in Abraka, Carl Ofonye, TVC News.